Yo, listen up. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create your own coin, pump up some fake volume, and make steady cash without taking any losses. Here's the playbook. First things first, head over to pump.fun and launch your own coin. Just like I'm doing right here. Once the token is live, buy a little bit of it yourself, and make sure you copy the contract address, CA. Next, you gotta bring that CA over to this tool/app. When you log in, it's gonna give you a private key or password. Write that down and do not lose it. If you lose that key, you're literally screwed and you won't be able to do a damn thing. Super important step, bro. Drop your private key into the tool and then ignore the deposit section. You don't even need to touch that. Right next to it, you'll see a booster option. Tap on that, paste your tokens CA right in, and just wait a few minutes. Watch what happens. The token you just created is literally gonna start pumping right in front of your eyes. I'm showing you live proof right here. Look at this.